How to remember what you have read. Today, I'm going to start a series on memorization techniques. I'll be teaching you how to memorize what you read so it sticks like glue in your brain. Effective memorization techniques helps you to remember what you read long-term so you can answer questions correctly in your tests, assignments, and exams. But note, it is important you understand what you read to help you memorize better, and constant practice of these techniques will help solidify the information in your brain. Now here are my top 11 memorization techniques to help you remember what you read. 1. Chunking. Divide large pieces of information into smaller units chunks that are easier to retain in short-term memory. 2. Note-taking. To notes by hand to actively participate in absorbing new information. 3. Mnemonics. Make use of retrieval cues like spelling, music, and rhyming to store information in your brain. 4. Active recall. Actively stimulate your brain by practice testing to retrieve a piece of information you want to remember. 5. Link it. Connect the information you are trying to memorize to something that you already know. 6. Say it. Say the information you want to retain out loud and try to visualize what it means. 7. Mind maps. Use mind maps to visually organize information in a way that shows relationship between pieces of the whole information. 8. Feynman's technique. Teach what you have learned to someone else, breaking down difficult concepts into simpler terms. 9. Flashcards. Flashcards allow you to break the information down into smaller, meaningful chunks that are easier to memorize. 10. Spaced repetition. Repeatedly review and recall information at spaced intervals to move information from your short-term to your long-term memory. 11. Memory palace. Use familiar information about your environment to quickly recall information you want to remember. That's all for today's video. Remember that this is a series, and in subsequent videos, I'll go ahead to describe each of these techniques in detail with examples on how you can use them to effectively remember what you have read or studied so you can pass your exams in flying colors. Like, share, follow, and subscribe for more study tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in my next video.